Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Student, today I give you a short biography of Jawaharlal Nehru under the following headings. So you have to listen it carefully and try to understood it. Students, when that type of question comes in your exam, so you have to write, you know, about all these things like his parentage and education, his contribution in India's freedom struggle, and Jawaharlal Nehru as a prime minister. So students, you have to know the biography of Jawaharlal Nehru or the short biography, and you write it here. So I give you the example of writing this. In this short biography, you have to write when he was born, where he was born, who was his father, mother, and which type of family he belongs to, from where he get his education, like that. All these things you have to mention there. Students, here we start. Parentage and education. Contribution in Indian freedom struggle, Jawaharlal Nehru as a prime minister. The first one is parentage and education. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889. He was born to Motilal Nehru and Swaroop Rani in a Kashmiri Pandit family. He was educated in India and Britain. In England, he attended the Independent Boys School, Harrow, and Trinity College, Cambridge. Here we write the parentage and education of Jawaharlal Nehru. Next is contribution in Indian freedom struggle. Now on 7th Feb 1916, he was married to Kamala Nehru. In the first year of marriage, she gave birth to Indra Priyadarshini. Being a son of wealthy barrister and politician, he soon became the leader of the left wing of the Congress. He later rose to be Congress president under the guidance of Gandhiji. He was a radical leader who advocated complete independence or Purna Swaraj for India from the British Empire. In the long struggle for Indian independence, he was recognized by Gandhiji as his political successor. Nehruji also led an interim government that faced opposition from the Muslim League headed by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Thus, failing to strike a coalition, he supported the partition of India. Now the third point is, students, on 15th August 1947, he took office as the Prime Minister of India and delivered his famous speech, A Tryst with Destiny. However, this period was marked by communal violence. He conducted several tours and encouraged Muslims to remain in India. Under his leadership, the Congress won an overwhelming majority in the elections of 1952. He served as the Prime Minister of India till 1964 and is the longest serving Prime Minister of India. He was also the founder of Non-Aligned Movement and was an important figure in international politics in the post-war era. So students, like that you have to write the short biography of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Here we write about his parentage and education, contribution in Indian freedom struggle, Jawaharlal Nehru as a Prime Minister. So like that, students, you have to write all the 3 points in a short paragraph and learn it.